Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Tricentis Academy. In this video, let's go through how to execute manual test cases in Tricentis Tosca. Here, we have two examples of manual test cases. They're just simple cases of navigating to the demo webshop, logging in, as well as buying a book. When we bring those test cases into the execution section, they belong to an execution list, just like an automated test case. However, to run those manual test cases, we will have to either select the execution list or the execution entry, then choose Run as Manual Test Case. The shortcut to this is Ctrl, Shift, and M. Now the checklist window is launched. It shows one test case at a time. On the title bar is the name of the execution list that this test case belongs to. This window can be minimized while working by clicking on Mini Size or Collapse. On the screen, you will see all the test steps and the test steps values in the test case. The names of the test steps and the test step values are also the instructions for the manual testers to test correctly. A great function that helps us test easier is the Inject Data Value button. When you are at a step that requires you to enter a value into the system under test, simply select it and press this button. Some action modes include inputting the value given in the value column or verifying the given value against the result. In this example, we have a buffer action mode. That means we need to enter the value requested into the pop-up box. To set a result for a test step value, we select Set Passed or Set Failed on the ribbon or next to the test step value. During testing, we might want to add more details onto the result as well. We can do so by using the Add command, Attach File, or Make Screenshot buttons. With Add command, we can include some text with the result of the test step value. And with Make Screenshot, we will be able to take a screenshot and annotate on it. With Attach File, we can add a file to the result. We can also delete a result by clicking on the Clear Results button. Once we have finished working with this test case, click on Finish Test Case Execution. The checklist window will show us the next test case or go back to Tosca if there is no more test case. Now the result is logged in the execution section. The color of the execution entry indicates the latest result. Green means passed and red means failed. When we expand the log, we will see that the comments or screenshots we have made are now stored here. If you are working on a test case and for some reasons have to take a break, you can pause the execution. By doing this, the checklist window is closed, the completed test steps are logged, and the state of the execution entry is indicated gray, which means paused. By right-clicking on the execution entry and select Resume as Manual Test Case, the checklist window can be reopened. If you want to start from the beginning of a paused test case, simply choose Run as manual test case, or delete the execution log to reset its state. And that's how we can execute a manual test case in Tricentis Tosca.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis' continuous testing platform. For more information, please click the links in the description.